Hello there, welcome to my channel IST Home Decor. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you some exclusive center table designs. You can find 70 plus smart and unique center table designs. Hope you will enjoy this video, and friends, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. The perfect center table should be of the right size to reach out for snacks, sturdy enough to support books, or even your feet and blend in aesthetically. Furniture can sometimes take up a lot of space in our house or office, right? But it can look more spacious if we arrange properly. The center table is an important piece of furniture, what with its requirements to entertain many purposes. The center table should be of the right size. It should provide enough space around it for easy movement and leg stretching. Make sure that the center table is at least 2/3 of the size of the largest seating piece in the living room. That will ensure that you have enough space. The shape of the center table is determined by the shape of the sofa. If your sofa is an L-shaped lounge or rectangular, it will require a rectangular center table. Smaller sofas go well with square or round center tables to make do for the tight space. So, dear viewers, in this video, I am trying to give you the perfect design of a wooden center table so you can make one for your home. And the other thing is that I will also provide some links in the description box for those who want to buy a center table. So please check the description box so that you can buy one for you. Coffee tables have been used as counterpieces in homes, a place for important discussions, and even a night of entertaining guests. These are made from several materials such as wood, steel, glass, plastic, as well as several various other points. If you know you will be entertaining more guests, go for a center table that has a rugged surface or that has a lip edge. This will take your mind off worrying about spilling food and drinks. If you have a small space, a center table with drawers or a lower deck for storage will give you additional space for stowing away items. Wood is a common center table preference because it is durable and sturdy. On the other hand, tempered glass, marbles, and acrylic are also great options. There are several things to consider when selecting a coffee table due to the fact that you certainly desire the appropriate one for your home. Initially, ask yourself where you will be placing your coffee table and for what purpose. As much as possible, avoid buying glass coffee tables unless you want it to be scratched or damaged. Rather choose wood or steel as they are more resilient. What sizes and shapes do you need and want? Do you want a rectangular shaped, round, oblong or square table? If being positioned before a selectional sofa, a square table will look better, right? If you have more young children, a round table is better choice since it does not have any sharp sides, whereas a rectangular shaped table is excellent to be put before any kind of sofa. Finally, you should consider your layout design. Be sure to select a table that enhances your room furniture and other decorations you currently have in your residence. Make it seem like an expansion of just what you currently have. It is fun to have a coffee table in your home, but it feels more exciting just choosing one. With these tips, selecting your next center table will certainly be easy. The ideal center table anchors the furniture in a room by filling in the gap while providing enough space around it for movement or for some simple leg stretching. If your sitting area is larger, you can create 2 or more center points. Coffee table or center table furniture is a crucial part of any kind of residence layout design, as they are both functional and provide an appealing look to any kind of room. They are generally positioned in the center of the living room, over a carpet, or simply on the ground. The coffee table is truly meant to complement your couches, carpet, wall surface decor, and paintings by completely linking them to each part of the living room. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video will help you to make or buy a perfect and smart center table for your home. I will also provide some links in the description box for those who wants to buy a center table. Please check the description box so that you can buy one for you. Hope you will enjoy this video, and friends, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.